Hello everyone, welcome to the American Jedi channel. Excuse the dishes in the sink there. I wanted to go over a couple things actually, and I wanted to get this video out quick because you can save a lot of money if you've been thinking about getting a GoPro. Any of them really, but the Hero 11 Creator Edition is on sale. The Hero 11's on sale. All of the GoPros are on sale. But I think the best bang for the buck is the Creator Edition. I wanted to go ahead and show you what I'm talking about before I unbox it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing to show you what you get. I know there's a lot of unboxing videos out there, but there is no video showing the current prices right now. So I wanted to get this out quick for y'all. But basically, what you have here is if you sign up for a GoPro subscription, you can get the camera at a reduced price. So the nice thing about the GoPro Hero Creator Edition is they include the subscription in the price of the camera, in the marked down price of the camera. So with the subscription, you'll save $100 on a new GoPro. You get unlimited cloud backup with auto uploads, 50% off, up to 50% off on GoPro accessories, and no questions asked camera replacement, 2 per year. And it's $50 a year. So just to give you a heads up, I looked up every one of these, and you will get this one here in particular, the no questions asked. You can get up to 2 per year. As long as you have the camera, they will replace it. So that does not cover loss. And right now, the Hero Black Creator Edition without the subscription at Best Buy is $6.99. On Amazon, it's $5.99. And on GoPro.com, it's $529.99 plus tax, and the subscription is included in that. So if you look at this, you'll have to buy the subscription for extra with the Amazon. So you're looking at $650 or $750 from Best Buy to get the subscription. Now, I think the subscription's worth it just for the camera replacement, because if you look at like Amazon or Best Buy, you're going to have to pay an additional for a damage warranty. So already I think it's worth it, plus you're going directly through GoPro. So here is the Creator Edition, and it is really nicely wrapped. I took it out of the box already, but it is really nicely wrapped, like kind of like a Christmas present actually. But I'm not sure what this is, but they put this in there too, so let's go ahead and see what that is real quick. It says, I don't know, getting in on it, I don't know what that is. But let's see. Oh, it's the memory card. Yay! They include a 32 gigabyte memory card. So that's just to get you started. I got a 512 on the way. So let's go ahead and unwrap it. See what's up with this thing. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, nice. It comes with a case. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed for the last time because I have a tripod on the way for the camera and GoPro. So it'll work for both, and it extends to like 5 feet. So it'll definitely be worth it. Yeah, so this is everything that you get. You get the media mod, the light mod, the Hero 11 Black, the Volta, which is a charging handle and tripod. And then you get all of these. You get a battery, different mounts and cables, the carrying case, and the screw for the mount. Some of the features of the camera include 27 megapixel, can record in 5K. It's waterproof by itself, the camera only though. You can do live streaming, 1080p, slow-mo. I don't know what a data overlay is. Webcam mode, upgraded processor, super photo, enhanced battery life, and that's that Enduro battery. The Enduro battery. And single-hand wireless control and enhanced audio capture. Now, I bought a DJI Pocket 2 because I thought that was going to be my next camera, but it wasn't. And unless you get the Creator combo on the DJI Pocket 2, your phone doesn't Bluetooth to it. So they make you spend extra money I think the Do It All handle's like $90, and the GoPro Hero 11 does Bluetooth right out of the box, and your shots will be auto uploaded into the cloud, and then a highlight video sent to you. So, and the cloud does preserve your quality. So no matter what you shoot in, that's what's going to upload to the cloud. So that's just and you use the Quick app, and the Quick app can be downloaded on your computer and your phone so that you can edit your videos, stitch them together, do whatever you want. And here it is, the Creator Edition, and that's what it looks like with all the accessories in there. So yeah, there's the Volta handle and the light. They show the light without the diffuser on it, but yeah, I just wanted to, I don't need to unbox it. There's tons of unboxing videos out there. You can see what it comes with. So if you want to see it in real life, just watch another unboxing video. I just wanted to get this out of there for the deal itself. So thanks for watching and have a good day. Stay safe out there.